Ripple XRP's president just dropped a major bombshell, and it's sending shockwaves through the crypto world. Whether you're an XRP holder or just watching from the sidelines, this revelation could be a game changer for Ripple's future and the entire blockchain industry. What does this mean for XRP's value? How will it impact the global financial system? Stick around because we're diving deep into the explosive announcement you don't want to miss. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, has been giving her opinion on the events that could possibly push the price of XRP to pump to fresh all-time highs, or even more in 2025. In interviews and discussions during this round, she described how Ripple perceives and works on stablecoins and institutionalization and what XRP means in the modernizing of world finance. Monica Long was adamant on the fact that the entire premise of stablecoins relies on stability. This requires a one-to-one consisting of ensuring that for every dollar worth of the stablecoin issued, at least an equivalent value of the real-world money, for instance USD, is backing the coin and proper control of the assets. Focusing on this, Ripple bought Standard Custody in the beginning of the year. It is a company that owns the New York Trust license, and it is regulated by the New York Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. It also shows Ripple's concern with strict regulation in order to ensure a stable growth of trust based on stablecoins. Regarding the question of how Ripple wants to deploy its stablecoin, Long replied that initially they are going to target payment customers, licensed payment firms, which are already partners of Ripple and banks. The Alibaba of XRP stocks and flows approach is Ripple, which opts for stablecoin to work to USD or cost efficiencies of stablecoin pairs. In fact, the stablecoin liquidity largely attributed to the retail market and trading exchanges too also upholds an influential role in their adoption and success. Speaking about market trends, Long underlined that currently the market of stablecoins makes several tens of billions of dollars, but in the near future, it will turn into a market of over $3 trillion due to new use cases such as payment. Ripple is well positioned to feature in this growth due to its customer base and operational preparedness. Yet Long noted that Ripple needs to obtain approval from such regulators as NYDFS before introducing the US dollar-pegged XRP. XRP, the coin, is functionally viable. XRP, the fourth, the utility token that Ripple plans to use for its US dollar-backed stablecoin, is yet to be released. Ripple again emphasizes that obtaining a license is still important, with the company still in the process of waiting for the New York Department of Financial Services decision. She also cautioned that reaching a level of regulatory certainty not only ensures compliance, but also the confidence needed for stablecoins to be adopted globally into the world's financial systems. In the second article, Monica Long has also explored the idea of XRP as a neutral digital asset that is required to nudge tokens across the digital fiat money divide. The major corridors, such as the US dollar and the euro, are well lubricated, but Ripple is most effective when dealing with the many currencies that come with high transaction fees and low volume, such as Africa and the Middle East, where competitors may charge more than 10% in transaction fees. Ripple and XRP offer cross-border payment solution at less than 1%. Once again, Long stays true to her stance that payments continue to be a killer app for blockchain. She goes ahead and says that since blockchain is global, transparent, and has near-instant settlement, it's perfect for changing cross-border payments. In traditional payment systems, the flow of payments is usually slow and expensive, and the customers are not definite regarding the amount and the results to be paid. Thus, the services offered by Ripple eliminate the above-mentioned drawbacks and offer faster and cheaper cross-border transactions. Another component of Ripple's plan is private ledgers. While public blockchains promote transparency, financial institutions may need privacy with their transactions. These needs are met by Ripple solutions of private ledgers that are compatible with public ledgers. In the future, Ripple anticipates that public and private ledgers will merge, which could create substantial value for the XRP ledger. XRP's price prospects for the long term therefore lie in the provision of functionality. Real-world application is what Long insists is to create value, stability, and liquidity for cryptocurrencies. Ripple also has a focus on payment, but it's not limited to this alone. The ability to tokenize the assets, such as the properties, stocks, and shares, and so on, is the new trend of use of the blockchain. One of the best examples is Brazil to demonstrate how Ripple engages in the process of adoption. It has a friendly legal system, an active developer community, and large traditional banks such as Itaú already on board the blockchain. These impacts foster an environment for adopting innovations and make Brazil a forerunner for blockchain. Long also highlights the growing population of the space industry as it relates to blockchain populations. In the past 10 years, the lady has observed more Latina, Black, and other minority women take part in beauty pageants globally. For this reason, increasing diversity benefits the field and spurs development in various cultural and economic environments. Tokenization and payments have long been central to blockchain's promise, offering transparency, efficiency, and cost savings. Ripple has been a key player in realizing this vision, building financial infrastructure that allows for real-time, low-cost global money transfers, something legacy systems struggle to achieve. Ripple's payment rails provide a seamless way to move value across borders, eliminating inefficiencies in traditional banking systems. Its focus on tokenization extends this utility further, enabling the digital representation of real-world assets like currencies, stocks, or commodities, unlocking new opportunities for global trade and investment. Another standout feature of Ripple's ecosystem is its private ledger setup, tailored for large institutions such as banks and central banks. This private ledger ensures data security and offers multiple privacy configurations while maintaining interoperability with public ledgers. This dual capacity is crucial for institutions seeking both control and connectivity as they explore blockchain solutions for cross-border payments and tokenized assets. Ripple's technology is shaping the Web3 economy, bridging the gap between decentralized innovations and institutional needs. By enabling efficient payments and secure tokenization, Ripple is laying the foundation for a future where blockchain is seamlessly integrated into the financial systems of tomorrow. Ripple is eyeing the next big leap in digital finance, with plans to launch an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. This move would create a bridge between traditional financial markets and cryptocurrency, offering institutional investors a regulated and accessible way to invest in XRP. XRP's legal clarity in the US, thanks to recent court rulings, sets it apart from many cryptocurrencies still facing regulatory uncertainty. Combined with its status as one of the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, XRP is well positioned to attract institutional interest. An XRP ETF would allow investors to trade XRP on stock exchanges without needing to manage the asset directly. Similar to the impact of exchange-traded notes, ETNs in other markets, an XRP ETF could drive significant capital inflows and increase adoption by providing a secure and familiar investment option. This step could solidify XRP's role as a key player in the digital assets economy, boosting liquidity and adoption while setting a precedent for integrating cryptocurrencies into mainstream investment portfolios. Ripple's overall goals revolve around the concept of an Internet of Value, or the ability for value to transfer across the internet much like data does at the moment. Long believes that blockchain technologies and digital assets are instrumental in achieving this vision, promoting financial integration, availability, and affordability. Because Ripple emphasizes regulation, practical application, and institutional implementation, Ripple stands ready to transform the financial industry. Be it through stablecoins, XRP, or various other solutions derived from blockchain technology, Ripple's solutions seek to enhance the efficacy, clarity, and access characteristics of global financial systems. This new announcement from Ripple's president shows the capabilities of XRP and Ripple's advancement, hence the right time for investors to invest in the XRP. That is why it is necessary to pay special attention to its development as well as to its growth and be ready to consider its further investment opportunities as it becomes more widespread and develops new variants. What impact do you think this new revelation about XRP will have on its future adoption and value? Let us know in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't miss out on expert tips and market analysis. Hit that like button, share with fellow traders, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. As always, stay ahead of the curve.